What's up everyone, Envy here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this. This is the new Lenovo Y27gq. So this monitor was first shown off back in January, and ever since I've really wanted to get my hands on it. It's the world's first 1440p 2K 240Hz monitor. It's using a next-gen TN panel, so the colours are supposed to be massively improved over the original TN panels, which I thought personally, coming from OLED and IPS, the colours were just really washed out, really bad. And of course they're always in 1080p panels. That just meant games and video just looked super blurry, especially when you're used to 2K and 4K. But now we've got this. So I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys. So looking at the specs, as you can see, 27-inch QHD 240Hz. It's got 0.5 on the extreme response time. But yeah, so far I've been using this for about 2-3 days now, and it's absolutely stunning. The colours are ridiculous, as you can see. It's nice and bright. I'll just shift through some of the where it's exceeded my expectations. Absolutely amazing. I can just run a quick demo and just show you guys. So this is heaven in the extreme. So as you can see, really nice color reproduction. It does look a lot better in person. Of course, you're just watching this through my iPhone. But it just looks stunning. So yeah, this is available now in the UK and EU regions. I've seen it in some Asian websites as well. So this is going for £900, which I think is around $1,200–1,300 US. Well worth the money. I mean, I've had so many monitors now. I've had 4K 144, the 1080p 240, and ultra wides, but nothing comes close to this. I think this is the perfect blend right now. You got the 2K 240. As you can see with the stats, getting quite a lot of FPS. But yeah, any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching.